Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
Large grin.
Large grin.
So we are going to cavity wax RL200. Now RL200 is 13 years old.
14.
14
now.
years old. So one could argue what's the point, but this one's definitely had a hard life. We've bored you with that before. We've done colonic irrigation on it, so we'll insert that now.
Yeah, we flushed through the chassis with water till it came out clear because it was brown for, must have been half an hour.
Yeah, I mean,
fairly grim.
A quick resume, this vehicle's had a complete engine rebuild, suspension rebuild, and we think a new turbo, some of it not by us, quite a lot of it by us, but we think it's lived up a dirt track here in Portugal, rarely serviced, and it's just been eaten alive. So it's got slightly lucky to have got us.
Yes, very.
And we are going through everything. So we've flushed through.
Yes.
We thought for our own interest, and maybe yours, we're going to shove a camera up there as well.
Yeah, we've got a nice little camera there for internal inspection.
Should we? Shall I grease it?
Let's do it. Let's get it in the chassis and have a little look. Yeah, we can't wax oil that in, can we? Okay, so we'll continue this video then, once we've re-washed it, and we will come back in probably a couple of days, and you will see us wax oil it. Okay, so it's the next day, we're back. We have given it another flush through the chassis, and it looks pretty clean. So
we've blown it through with air.
Yeah, we've probably inserted the camera shots of the chassis again.
Yes.
But here is the stuff we're going to use.
We're going to finish that one up because we've got some.
Yep, we did that. I think that was on the Panda, wasn't it?
Because it's just been sitting there for a while.
Yep, and we've got this stuff, this Dintrol,
which has been recommended to us.
Yep, so we'll use that because this is a big bugger, so I'm sure we're going to go through a lot of this.
We're going to go through a fair bit, but most of it will be sped up, but it's just, I quite enjoy doing it, I don't know why.
Put it in a hole of the chassis and squirt it up. It says between 4 and 6 bar of pressure, just in case anyone's wondering.
You've always got to put it in the hole.
You do.
And squirt.
And squirt.
Right, we're straight into this because the other stuff I'd left a little bit too long and it didn't like it.
Jammed up the gun.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, that's
all coming out over here. Great.
That's fire in the old bizzo.
That's good stuff. Oh yeah.
Not sure what happened there.
Right then, there we are.
I don't know about you, but I'm not going back under.
No, it's still dripping a bit.
Just as an aside, if you think it's good for wrinkles, it's not.
Well, it hasn't worked wonders on you, has it? No. So one bit of advice when you're doing it, if you're doing it inside, if you've got a car in, move it out. Because I've just been buffing off my car. It's gone everywhere, but at least we have to do it once.
I expected it to. That stuff's a lot runnier than the previous stuff we've used. The other's much gloopier,
yeah, it's more like slime. This
is like water.
Yeah. So it certainly will get into every nook and cranny, I'm sure.
Well, it's got, even though I had a mask on, I can sort of taste it, but there we are.
But it's done the bizzo, so Bosco is one step closer to going off-road.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
New tyres come Monday.
Yeah, new wheels, tyres.
Happy days.
Yeah, happy. So, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you next video.